Station 9-1, Station 9-2, on fire 1, Deptford Township, Blvd section. 595 Princton Boulevard, between Villanova Avenue and Rutgers Avenue. At Station 9-1, the alarm system. Station 9-1, Station 9-2, on fire 1, Deptford Township, Blvd section. 595 Princton Boulevard, between Villanova Avenue and Rutgers Avenue. At Station 9-1, the alarm system, 1730.
Yeah, 943 to 504.
Okay, 943 from the alarm company. Smoke Social Hall Zone 1.
County 942 respondable 4.
942. Smoke Social Hall Zone 1.
County 901 responding.
901. Did you copy that?
Pen again.
Smoke Social Hall Zone 1. 901 from Gloucester County. Second call from the alarm company stated someone is on location working on an AC unit.
All right, so he's on location working on what?
The AC unit.
Okay.
926 is fine.
26.
County from Station 91.
Proceed.
Security called the assignment. Reset the alarm and it's holding.
Attention all resources responding. Deptford Township 595 Princton Boulevard recall. Repeating, all resources responding. Deptford Township 595 Princton Boulevard recall. Stations available 1738.
County 901 responding. Good to see.
901 switch EMS 1.
County Chief 43-3. Did you just dispatch 43-2 to that?
The memo says any incidentals, 2-station response.
Yeah, you can put a disregard out for them. That's not accurate. And I'm en route. What's the report?
43301. It was called actually into your station for a tree hanging across the roadway lying on the wires. Wires are smoking.
All right, receive County. County Chief 43-3 is on scene. Stand by. I'll give you a pull number in a minute.
Chief 433.
County Chief 43-3.
Proceed.
Call number GGOF 16219. Closest call. I got a tree leaning against some primary wires. No arcing at this time, but we are going to need electric company out here.
And confirming GGolf 16219.
That's correct.
Copy. Gloucester County engine 433 to 433.
County Chief 43-3. If you already called them, don't worry about it, but the wire is still hot. This thing's leaning on it. It's smoking.
On the phone with him now, Chief.
Thank you. County, if they could expedite, we're going to shut the road down so they can get out here.
Copy.
Engine 43-3, just take the driveway here to the left behind the police car, turn around in there and just stage.
Chief 433 from Gloucester County.
Go ahead, County.
Call to the alarm room for the supervisor, please.
Yep. And it looks like the electric company is pulling up here. I'll tell you in another 15 seconds.
Copy.
County Chief 43-3.
Chief 433.
Yeah, electric company's on scene. They got it from here. We're available.
Chief 433 should be available 13 hours.